Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall multiple programs using Bulk Crap Uninstaller in 2026. Let's get started. First, open Bulk Crap Uninstaller on your computer and wait for it to scan all installed applications. To select multiple programs, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click each application you want to uninstall. If you want to select a continuous range of programs, click the first application, hold the Shift key, and then click the last one. After selecting the programs, click the Uninstall button at the top of the window. A confirmation window will appear showing the selected applications. Review the list carefully, then click Continue or Next to proceed. Bulk Crap Uninstaller will launch the uninstall process for each selected program one by one. Follow any on-screen prompts if they appear. When the uninstall process is complete, the program may offer to scan for leftover files, folders, and registry entries. Select the items you want to remove, then click Delete selected to clean up any remaining data. Finally, click Finish to complete the process. If prompted, restart your computer to apply all changes. That's how you can uninstall multiple programs at once using Bulk Crap Uninstaller. Thanks for watching.